Hi there, Gareth here from Mobile Tech Addicts, tracyandmatt.co.uk and for unboxings.com, and I'm going to attempt to fit one of these onto one of those. This is an impact protection shutterproof optical clarity cover for your phone. Fits on the iPhone 5, 5C and 5S. I think that says Rhino Shield, that's what it is, Rhino Shield. On the back, easy to cling, anti-fingerprint, scratch resistant, impact dispersion, impact dampening, high strength, zero residue adhesive. Okay, fair enough. There's a video demo here if you want to scan that. It shows a picture of a hammer here, and I do believe on the product website it shows some other hammers hitting it too. Probably wouldn't recommend doing that, but you can drop water on it if you like, and you can hold it up and look through it, and then of course you can let your cat play the piano on it. Very handy. Okay, so this costs £18. That's a little more expensive than most people would want to pay for a screen protector. However, whenever you've spent £500, £600 or £700 on one of these, do you really want to trust it to a £1 screen protector that you get off eBay or something like that? Spending 18 quid on one of these will probably be the best decision that you make. However, there is also the opportunity that these things are really difficult to fit. There's nothing else in there. Okay, so that's just it's lovely, well presented. Okay, so you get one. That's it. Dust removal stickers, a card for smoothing it down, and a wipe. And it shows in here how to apply. Okay, so obviously this front and back. The Rhino Shield screen protector. Peel the protective layer off. Fit to that. Use the credit card to smooth it off, and then peel the protective layer away from the front. Ah, that's a mistake I always make. I switch those two around. I tend to put that there and then use the credit card directly onto the screen protector. Okay. Right, we're going to have a go with this. Well, it's not too badly done. It could have been worse. As you can see here, we can focus in on that. I've botched that wee bit. It's ever so slightly over to the right here, but it's not impacting on the speaker or the camera. Not too much anyway. Okay, and there doesn't seem to be any air bubbles present. Did a good job with that. So then we just need to peel this bit off. And we're good. No air bubbles. You wouldn't know what's there really. You can see a fairly large groove up here. Don't know if you can pick that up on the camera there too well. But it's very noticeable up here, but that's probably because I've got it off center. And down here, and there's a bit of an air bubble beside the button here. My little boy. But we can do that a wee bit. Get the last of it out. The last of the air should dissipate overnight, and it'll be grand. Oh, there's a bit of dust up there. Gosh darn it. Okay, well, that's the Impact Protection Rhino Shield. Looks fairly good. Looks fairly hard wearing. I'll go downstairs, get a hammer, and give it a good wallop with the hammer. And I managed to get some chut on it already. Okay, not bad. Alright, well thanks for watching.